Okay, so hello friends, today our topic is the Coagulase Negative Staphylococcus. So here you can see the name Coagulase Negative. So they give the Coagulase test negative, so that is the name. Okay, all other Staphylococcus gives Coagulase positive. So in microscope, so there is it is the Coagulase Negative Staphylococcus aureus. Sorry, it is Coagulase Negative Staphylococcus only. Okay, so there are two species, Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus saprophyticus. So now how can you differentiate between this? So epidermidis will give novobiocin sensitive, okay, and here it is novobiocin resistant. Okay, now come to the one by one. So first was Staphylococcus epidermidis. Okay, so remember one thing, a question that is why it is non-pathogenic. Some Staphylococcus epidermidis is non-pathogenic. Okay, so here it is the answer. So it colonization occurs. Okay, colonization occurs. Next, adhesion also occurs. That is, here they are colonized and they doing the adhesion, but they do not invade. Okay, in the invasion process, so that is they do not produce any pathogenesis. Next is Staphylococcus saprophyticus. Okay, so mainly they do the urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infection. Okay, so but here Staphylococcus epidermidis are responsible for the prosthetic device infections. Okay, device related infections, and they are endocarditis and valvular prosthesis. Okay, so that's it for the Coagulase negative Staphylococcus. So guys, if you like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and please do subscribe my channel.